Hi friends, here in Australia it's mango season. You can find beautiful ripe mangoes in almost every supermarket. So today I am going to show you how to make a simple homemade mango chutney, sweet and tangy, full of flavor. Let's get started. Normally, for mango chutney, we use partially ripe mangoes. That's the perfect balance of sweetness and tang. But today, I couldn't find that exact texture. I managed to get a green mango from a veggie shop, but it's not the best one. It's very unripe. So I am using a mix of ripe and unripe mangoes. I am confident this combination works perfectly and gives us a really balanced flavor packed chutney. For any kind of chutney, garlic and ginger are a must. So I have finely chopped a head of garlic and a piece of ginger. The next important part is the aromatic spices. I have roughly ground a piece of cinnamon, a few cardamom pods, and some cloves. These warm spices give the chutney its beautiful depth and aroma. I also have 1 cup of sugar ready, but I definitely won't use all of it. Now let's get ready to cook. For this chutney, use a heavy base pan. The first step is making a sugar caramel. Add a couple of tablespoons of sugar to the pan and keep the heat on low. Let the sugar melt slowly until it turns a beautiful amber color. Once all the sugar has caramelized, carefully add 1 cup of water. Please be very careful at this stage. The caramel is extremely hot and may splash. Into the sugar syrup, add about half a cup of sugar. Then add the aromatic spice mix, about a tablespoon, followed by garlic and ginger. Give everything a good stir and let this flavor slowly infuse into the syrup. At this stage, keep the heat on low to medium. Now add the mango pieces into the syrup. Gently mix them through and let everything cook slowly. Cooking it slowly allows the mango to soften and absorb all those beautiful sweet and aromatic flavors. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then it's time for the chili powder. I am adding 2 to 3 teaspoons, but feel free to adjust it depending on your spice level. This chutney should have a gentle heat, not overpowering. I used only half a cup of sugar and now it has reached a perfect texture. At this stage, it's ready to take off the heat. If you plan to store this chutney for a longer time, make sure to use properly sterilized bottle to keep it fresh and safe. Now it's time to bottle the chutney. Carefully transfer it into a clean, sterilized bottle while it is warm. Seal it well, let it cool completely, and your homemade chutney is ready to enjoy. And here it is, my homemade mango chutney, rich, glossy, and full of beautiful flavor. You can see the shine and the texture and the balance of sweet, sour, and gentle heat. This chutney is perfect with cheese boards, sandwiches, grilled meat, or even a simple bowl of rice. Thanks for watching.